ọ bụrụ na ị ka na-eje ije abalị ị na-erisk ndụ gị, ọ bụrụ na ị ka so ndị a na-eme ịmago isi Lagos gbaa moto night journey ịnaba east ma isi ugwu Hausa ịgba night gbaa luxury naba east in the night, ị na-erisk your life.
Breaking news, my fellow Biafrans, I'm back again. But before I say anything concerning this particular video, I want to use this medium to thank each and every one of us that has been supporting me, sharing my video, and also praying for our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The reason why I bring this particular video here is to save life of my brother, that is Igbo people. That is the main reason I bring this particular video here. So as a Biafran that you are, do not forget to share this particular video so that other Biafrans can be able to see this video and maintain their movement. So just take a moment of your time and listen to this our brother, because he has an important message to pass across. So as they watch this particular video, please, I beg you, share this video and drop your thought under the comment section to save lives and property across all Igbo land. So share this video and remain blessed. My name is Ezenamwata Official TV. Thank you and share the video on love.
Ọ bụrụ na ị ka na-eje ije abalị ị na-erisk ndụ gị, ọ bụrụ na ị ka so ndị a na-eme ịmago isi Lagos gbaa moto night journey ịnaba east ma isi ugwu Hausa ịgba night gbaa luxury naba east in the night, ị na-erisk your life. Mmadụ asịkwana gị rapụ ihe a na-akọ na a na-ekwu ka etinye gị ụjọ n'arụ na enwere ihe na-eme n'udo dị, nwanne m udo adịrọ. I'm telling you nothing but the truth. Many people are na-kidnap ha every day. A na-enwe kidnapping case every day na Nigeria. Our security system adị alụ ọlụ. Our security system adị alụ ọlụ atọ. Ọ bụrụ na ị watch ya, ị na-agụ ihe na-eme na news and ị na-aga through the internet, ị ga-afụ na this bandit pụta with ike na ebube nke ikpeazụ a. They are kidnapping many people. And many people may go travel, ndị nke ha have not seen them till date. Anaki ọbụla akọ, ọ bụ na omebegi, you will not understand the ha na-akọ. Ọ bụ na omebe nwanne gị, ma ọ bụ neighbor gị, ma ọ bụ ikwu na ibe gị, ị ga-ewu ya na ihe ha na-akọ bụ aja mbene. Ma ọ dị mkpa na ị ga-eme ka ndị be anyị mmadụ n'obodo adịrọ mma. Mmadụ asịkwana gị na a na-ekwu ka etinye gị ụjọ n'arụ, gị lapụ ihe ndị a na-akọ n'udo dị na enwere ihe na-eme. Nwanne m ihe a bụ asị ọcha, udo adịrọ, udo adịrọ. Many people agbago ọsọ na be ha. I'm telling you, many things na-eme. Most of the highways a na-enwecha road blocking, a na-agbagbusi ndị mmadụ, a na-akpọ ndị mmadụ baa ime ọhịa, ndị nke ha na-ewetara ego ịmago ebe ego ịmago gbuo otu esi egbu ọkọ. Ọ dị mkpa na ego a ga-agwa ndị be anyị mara ka isi eje ije abalị. Kịta abụrụ mgbe ị ga-asị ka ị gbaa night na ị na-ana east, nwanne m gbaa day. Ọ kara gị mma na ịgba akọta join ma ị ga-ebeti ya ego karịa na ite ka ịbịa take risk sị ka ị gbaa night. Enwere ike ịgbazie night ahụ ịdaba n'aka ha. Onye Chukwu na-eche ịmago ga-emegoro the one o kwesịrị ime. Anwakwara Chukwu ọnwụnwa asị gị na enwere ihe na-emenụ n'udo dị na gị hapụ ya ndị a na-akọ. Nwanne m, many things na-eme. But ọ bụ na omebe gị ma ọ bụ na omebe nwanne gị, ị ma aghọta ihe a na-akọ. Enwe many people may travel afụbe ha ruo today. Udo adịrọ na Nigeria. Obodo nọ n'ọgbọ aghalụ. Ndị a kpọpụtara nke ikpeazụ a n'ike na ebube. Ọbụla aka ifo, ọbụla ka eme ya ka ọ bụrụ content. Ihe a na-agwa gị bụ nothing but the reality. Na nke ikpeazụ a, bandit juru everywhere. Even nkịta bụ ị na-aga ị na-ene anya n'azụ because many things na-eme. Asịkwara na content, ọ bụrụkwa content. Ya na-agwa gị bụ nothing but the pure truth. Ọ dị mkpa na ị ga-ama this information. Ịnweta this video, the best thing ị ga-eme bụ imetụ aka na share button ka ndị ọzọ fụ ya, ka ụmụnne gị ịmago nwetakwa this information as well. Asị na o metụ anya na ọ na-emetụkwa imi as well. Ọmụnwa na-ebe onye Igbo nwa amụrụ amụ.
This prophecy is for Nigeria. In the realm of the spirit, I'm seeing soldiers from the neighboring countries trooping into Nigeria. I'm seeing people in the north of Nigeria being displaced. I'm seeing them running out into the neighboring countries. I'm seeing these soldiers shooting. I'm seeing bombardment. The Lord said Nigeria should pray and Nigeria should avoid anything that is going to bring fight, because I am seeing a serious fight. I am seeing a contention. I am seeing a serious conflict. I am seeing a war between Nigeria and the neighboring countries. And this war is going to be a war of proses, a war of proses, not just a prosy, but a war of proses, a fight of proses. If Nigeria enters into this war that I am seeing and see millions of Nigerians, most especially people of the north, being displaced and seeing them entering into neighboring countries for safety, Nigeria should do anything within their means not to fight this war that I'm seeing. But this war is imminent. It is imminent. It has been already fought in the spirit. It has already fought in the spirit. But the Lord say we should pray, because I'm seeing a prosy war between Nigeria and foreign countries. Nigeria will not fight the neighboring countries, but is going to fight other superpowers.
My people, I don't used to go out in this Owerri, but today I decided to go out. See, soon in Owerri, governorship election will be Aboki versus Imo State people. I'm not joking. In fact, you can come out and say and curse Imo State people, indigenous of Imo State, insult them and still win election because you have Aboki on your side. The number of the number of Abokis in Imo State is is now more than the indigenes of Imo State. I was shocked today. I said, I never even see an Igbo person doing bike. It was Aboki. Like in crowds. You know all these videos we used to see in the north when these terrorists raid the place and they drive in bikes to show they have conquered. That's what I was seeing today on the road. Chineke meu. See, if you go to Douglas on Friday, Amajeke Market, when it's time for their prayers, they block the whole road. If they told Igbo man that one day Aboki will block your market road, you will not believe it. I say in the future in this state, you see, if you want to win election, you don't even need more indigenous again. Just go to Aboki. They will give you the vote. Because the number of Abokis in this state is enough to win you governorship election. The number of Abokis in Owerri, in Imo State, is enough to win you governorship election. You don't even need Imo indigenous. Just carry your campaign to Aboki. Tell them that when you win, you make government as their second home. They will give. I said, if they come out to vote you, you have won election. It's like they now dominate the bike transport system in this state. Me, I don't. I'm short of words actually. Short of words. I'm short of words. Very short of words. Not just short of words. I'm scared for the future of Owerri. I'm very scared. Because I say in the future, I will not be shocked. You know these people can be very daring. Just small time, you hear Emir of Imo State. Just give small time. I said this first here. You will hear Emir of Imo State. Then they will not have a political structure. Soon, I'm telling you, soon they will start first with a Muslim governor. Igbo, first of all, frame it. Igbo, who is a Muslim, but the guy understands Hausa, lived in the north, but just because he has an Igbo name, they will not call him governor of Imo State. That's the first. Before you know it, will now become core Fulanis that will be ruling Imo State as governors. Just you will see, because they know all of Abokis I saw today. I was scared. But anyways, I'm done talking. People like in 2027 vote the wrong person again into power. God, I beg. As you're on your own. I'm Dr. Khan, Africa's most celebrated medical doctor, acres of land in several estates across Calabar. WhatsApp me on +2349095595264 to buy your land in Calabar. Jesus loves you so much. Thank you.